Hey there! Are you ready to discover the Reports module in EZRentOut? Discover how EZRentOut's powerful reporting tools help you make data-driven decisions. Let's get started. Access the Reports module from the left navigation bar to easily get insights into your rental performance. On the Reports main page, you will see a variety of reports. You can also create custom reports to get tailored analysis of the metrics most important to your business. Firstly, select a primary module and related modules to build your report on. Select the module from the drop-down. Then identify the columns or data points that you want to report on. For instance, we need to show orders details in our report, including the orders' number, user, status, type, payment due date, and identify the items associated with each order, so we will select the columns related to items. You can also add specifications to your report to get accurate insights. Apply filters, change the formatting of the report, apply functions, and sort orders as per your needs. Once you have applied the specifications, hit Save, and your report will be ready for review. This is what a sample report looks like, showing the payment status and state of each order. From the options on the top of the report, hit Create Graph to generate a creative data analysis. Save your report under a name to easily identify it amongst other reports. Go to More to edit or delete the report. And lastly, you have the option to export your reports in CSV, PDF, and XLS formats for sharing purposes.